When we watch a master therapist at work, it's tempting to think we're witnessing a mystical gift, an unteachable ability to heal a person's mind. This skill is often attributed to a vague, innate intuition about people. It is seen as the power to untie the complex, restrictive webs that keep a client's mind paralyzed. But this perceived magic can be reverse-engineered. It is a codified, scientific system that maps how humans use words to build their reality. This system is built entirely on the literal structure of the language we speak every day. We call this tool the metamodel. It is an explicit, learnable toolkit designed to decode the specific ways language shapes our experience. By using the metamodel, a therapist can systematically expand and enrich the client's internal map of the world. Therapy, in this context, is a forensic science. It is the process of mapping the hidden architecture of spoken words. In a typical session, a client explains exactly what they want to change. Beneath this, the therapist is looking for the model of the world the client uses to navigate life. The client communicates this model through surface structures, the literal sentences they speak. These spoken sentences are rarely perfect reflections of reality. They are filtered and incomplete representations of the person's actual experience. Finding the gap between these spoken sentences and the internal reality they represent is where the therapeutic work begins. To process the complexity of life, humans must compress their vast experiences into smaller linguistic boxes. One way we do this is through deletion, a process where critical pieces of an experience are removed entirely from the spoken sentence. This leaves literal missing pieces in the client's map of reality. Often, the client forgets they have deleted this information. They treat their incomplete sentence as if it were the total truth. A stuck client is trapped inside an architectural structure that is missing its load-bearing pillars. The metamodel's forensic toolkit is based on transformational linguistics. The therapist uses this formal model to locate the structural gaps in how the client speaks. By targeting the deletion, the therapist requires the client to recover those missing pieces. This restoration reconnects the spoken expression to its original, complete source. The therapist acts as an architect, guiding the client to complete their own structural blueprint. Restoring these missing linguistic pieces forces the client's model of the world to expand. As the map of their reality grows, it reveals behavioral options and choices that were previously invisible. Therapeutic magic is the mastery of language structure. It is a set of tools used to reconcile a person's spoken words with their actual experience, allowing for a life with more behavioral options.